'Cause we'll be on a tablet.
Okay, hello again. I'm going now to show you how to start coding without installing anything quickly and straightforward. This time we are going to use Replit. Go to replit.com and then you sign up or login. You can always continue with your Google, GitHub, Facebook, or Apple account. I'm going to use my GitHub. Don't worry about do I need to have GitHub or anything. Just sign in and you will get your account on Replit and then we're good to go. The good thing about Replit is previously I have told you how to start coding without installing anything using Google Colab, right? Now we are going to do it with Replit, which is Replit provide more programming language and it serves you with lots of service on the cloud. So you can choose either if you want to code with Python, Node.js, HTML, you can just always choose it over here. And let's say you want to try to do it with Python, you just choose Python, or you want to do it PHP and everything, you choose. Let's say we start with Python. I'm going to make a new Python. Okay. And I will title it on my new Python rep and then create. Or you can also import from GitHub if you already have GitHub. Okay. Next time I will also probably make video about GitHub in case you're not familiar with it. So there you go. Here you will have this console to do your code, a little bit different with the Google Colab thing, but basically you can see your file over here on the left side, and then you can also have tools, and you can also see the usage of CPU and RAM and storage. And don't worry, all of this is on the cloud. So what your computer or your device is doing is only connecting to the internet and for some random access memory processing, but most of the computation will be done on the cloud. So make sure you have a good internet connection, and the rest will be on the Replit's cloud computing. Okay, so this is the CPU, RAM, and storage being given by the Replit. Okay, see here. So you can always see the file over here, and then you type the code over here, and then you will see the result over here. So this is really similar as the Google Colab before that I show you. So what we do is just type it. I'm going to put something, hello world, like this, and then run it, and then you will see it, the result on the right side. As simple as that. So the file will be there, will be on your Replit account. So you don't have to worry about where to store it. Probably you leave your laptop behind, you don't have your device with you. You can always use any console or any station that you can log in into Replit, and then you can always open your file on Replit, and then you can start working there. So this is the easiest way to start coding without installing anything. So you can always go back to the Replit and make new Replit, like you want to do probably different language. The good thing about Replit is that you can invite someone else to join your code, so you can do pair programming, like probably in a team, or like just one of your friend or your partner or your colleague. You can share the code and do the code together. I usually do this with my students so I can look and help them while they are typing their code on Replit. So this is really convenient. You can with this you can also access this from your smartphone. There, I have several reps like my new Python, my PK Inter, or my Python CG, and then I'm doing something else. We'll have dashboard to see what's happening, probably new lessons. The good thing about Replit is they're also giving you lessons. I will explain about this later, but at least now you know another way to do coding without installing anything. Whenever I want to get back to my previous board, I just open my rep files, and the files will be there. Here, I have several files to do, lots of them. And when I want to test it, I will just run it there. So you don't have to worry about losing codes or anything. And you can synchronize this with GitHub too. I will explain it about GitHub. on the on different video. Okay. All right. Probably that's it. I'm going to make more videos, but at least now you have learned easily how to get started with coding without installing anything. So next time we will learn how to code. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.